In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a payment method or card from your Steam account on Windows PC. If you want to delete a saved card or another payment option from Steam, the process is pretty straightforward once you know where to look. We'll be doing this from your Steam account settings, and I'll also mention the alternate place where you can manage payment methods if needed. To begin, open Steam on your Windows PC and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're on the main Steam window, look to the top right corner and click your account name. This opens a small account menu with several options related to your profile and account settings. From that menu, select Account Details. This takes you to the section where Steam stores information tied to your purchases, wallet, and billing settings. If you've never visited this page before, don't worry, you're in the right place. On the Account Details page, look for the Store and Purchase History section. In that area, click Manage Payment Methods. This is the page where Steam lists any saved cards or other payment options currently linked to your account. Once you're there, find the specific card or payment method you want to remove. Take a moment to double check that you're selecting the correct one, especially if you have more than one saved method on the account. Steam may display partial card information or a label that helps you identify it. Next to that payment method, click Remove or Delete, depending on the wording shown on your screen. Steam may use slightly different labels depending on the version of the interface, but the action is the same. After that, a confirmation prompt should appear. Confirm the removal when asked. This extra step is there to help prevent accidental changes, so make sure you really want to delete that saved payment method before proceeding. Once confirmed, Steam should remove the card or payment method from your account. It's a good idea to stay on the page for a moment and verify that it no longer appears in the list. That way, you'll know the change was successfully applied. You can also manage payment methods through Steam's account page, which is useful if you prefer handling account settings from the broader account management area. The layout may look slightly different, but you'll still be looking for the payment methods section and the option to remove the one you no longer want saved. And that's it. That's how to remove a payment method or card from your Steam account on a Windows PC.